So what is glycolysis and what is their significance? Before we study our glycolysis, we have to know about what is the glycolysis and what is their significance. So basically glyco means a glucose और lysis means splitting. तो glucose का breakdown होना it is known as a glycolysis. So glucose का breakdown हो रहा है तो that means it is a glycolysis. और significance क्या है glycolysis का? ATP जनरेट करना. In all living organisms ATP जनरेट करने का pathway. So ATP जनरेट करने का pathway in all living organisms either they are unicellular हो या multicellular हो या eukaryote हो या prokaryote हो, सब में glycolysis होगा. So there is a only pathway through which our ATP is generating in all living organisms. Now the glycolysis was given by Amden, Meyerhoff and Parnas. So that is why in the basis of their name EMP. So they are known as EMP pathway. Glycolysis is also known as EMP pathway. And where the glycolysis takes place? Takes place in cell cytoplasm. Or that is why they are present in all living organisms. Because in all living organisms, the cytoplasm is present. Now the glycolysis is having a series of 10 reactions. In that series of 10 reactions, we studied in a sequence manner. Now, the glycolysis having basically they have two phases. Mainly we are divided into our two phases. One is energy requiring phase or another one is energy generating phase. So energy requiring phase, first 5 steps in which our energy is required or they are a preparatory phase. Now the energy generating phase in which our ATP is formed और energy requiring phase में ATP consume होगा. It is a complex 10-step reaction in which from the glucose we are forming a pyruvic acid. From the glucose pyruvic acid is formed. Now basically in that reaction in some steps the ATP is consumed, in some reaction the ATP is formed, in some reaction NADH is formed, or in each and every step is regulated by enzymes. So we have to remember each and everything. So there is a trick to remember. So in that pathway there is a glucose, fructose, kaptha bhage 3 to p par. Glucose, fructose, kaptha bhage 3 to p par. So these glucose stand for glucose. The glucose stand for यहाँ पे ये glucose, second glucose stand for glucose 6-phosphate. Now the fructose, these are a glucose 6-phosphate से there is a formation of fructose 6-phosphate. Now fructose 6-phosphate से the phosphate group एक और add हो जाएगा तो there is a fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. Fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. Now from the fructose 1,6-bisphosphate unstable होगा and that lead to a formation of GAP. This means there is an equilibrium glycerol aldehyde 3-phosphate GAP मतलब and there is a dihydroxy acetone phosphate GAP मतलब. Now bhage. So that means there is a bhage. These are bis-phosphoglyceric acid. There is a formation of bis-phosphoglyceric acid. There is a formation of 1,3-bisphosphoglyceric acid. So there is a addition of 1 and 3. 1,3-bisphosphoglyceric acid. Now 3,2p park. So there is a 3,2p park. So that means 3b p के साथ है, 2b p के साथ है और एक बार p अकेला है. So these are 3p है. तो 3p that is a 3-phosphoglyceric. Phosphoglyceric यहाँ पे आया तो there next step में भी there is a phosphoglyceric acid. 3-phosphoglyceric acid. Now 3-phosphoglyceric acid से there is a formation of 2-phosphoglyceric acid. 2 के साथ भी p है. Then this p stand for a phosphoenol pyruvate. Phosphoenol pyruvate and finally these parks stand for a pyruvate. So that is basically a sequence of the reaction. Glucose, fructose, kaptha bhage 3 to p bar. Okay. Moving to enzymes. So enzymes from that we have to easily remember from that Happy and Guppy plays Pakadam Pakadai every picnic. हर picnic पे पकड़म पकड़ाई play करते हैं Happy and Guppy. So from that we have to remember that Happy their H stand for what? A hexokinase enzyme. The hexokinase enzyme. Now these stand for a phosphoglucose isomerase. the phosphoglucose isomerase. Then these P stand for phosphofructokinase, the phosphofructokinase enzyme. This I stand for isomerase enzyme. Here is also isomerase, but there is named by a reactant, the phosphoglucose isomerase. And this isomerase is basically triose phosphate बना रहा है, तो these are named as triose phosphate isomerase. So reactant triose है, basically 3 carbon है and they have a phosphate group, so they are named as triose phosphate isomerase. Now A stand for aldolase, the aldolase enzyme. The Guppy का G stand for glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase. The enzyme glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase, and that plays pakadam pakadai every picnic. So these P stand for a phosphoglycerate kinase. These pakadam pakadai phosphoglycerate mutase. Every E stand for anolase, and these picnic stand for pyruvate kinase. So on the last 4 reaction is on the basis of product के नेम पे दिया गया है, while as जो initial steps थे वो reactant के basis पे दिए गए. And you have also remembered that जहाँ पे भी ATP form हो रहा है या ATP consume हो रहा है वहाँ पे kinase enzyme आएगा. The kinase enzyme is added. जहाँ पे isomers form हो रहे होंगे वहाँ isomerase enzyme form आएगा. जहाँ पे भी there is a position is changes, so there is a enzyme mutase enzyme is here. So on the basis of their function as well as reactant product के basis पे we have to be name it. Now moving to our number. So in which steps there is a ATP will be formed, in which step NADH is formed, we have to be remembered by this number. That is 9610731. It is not a phone number, basically the trick to remember each step. So this 9 stand for a 9th step. At the 9th step what happened? The water will remove. At the 6th step, these are 6 stand for 6th step. The 6th step में there is a formation of NADH. NADH form हो रहा है. And 10 means 10th step and 7 means 7th step पे. So 10th and 7th step पे ATP form हो रहा है. So ATP will be formed. And at the 3rd and 1st step पे ATP consume हो रहा है. So ATP will consume. So that is how their steps. So in which we have to be remember like, so glucose, fructose, kapha bhage 3,2-P path. Okay, H stand for hexokinase, and P stand for phosphoglucose isomerase, then P stand for phosphofructokinase, I for isomerase, happy का I for isomerase और AND का A aldolase. So I और A को replace कर देंगे on a position. So there is a triose phosphate बन रहा है. It is a 3 carbon compound form हो रहा है. So they are a triose or there is a phosphate group. So triose phosphate isomerase. They are isomer of each other. Now Guppy का G stand for glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase. Now the plays. So they play means a phosphoglycerate kinase, pakadam pakadai phosphoglycerate mutase, and every if anolase or picnic pyruvate kinase. So that is we have to be remember each pathway product or their enzyme as well. Now we have to be remember in which step ATP is formed, in which step the ATP is synthesized, in which step NADH is formed.